In this video, I'll be showing you how to save on shipping if you're ordering multiple products to the same warehouse. In the last video, I showed you how to see delivered cost of a product by adding it to your cart. These steps aren't much different. All you have to do is find the products going to the same warehouse, hit Add to Cart, and add it to the cart with the other products. You're able to consolidate as many products as you'd like, and we actually highly recommend it, so we'll add one more product to this cart. You can then go into your cart and play around with the quantities to optimize the space used in the container. This in turn leads you to maximizing your savings. The unit prices update in real time, so you can plan ahead to estimate future order costs as well. The consolidation savings only work for non-FBA warehouses because FBA delivery costs are already one of the most competitive in the industry.